I wrote a tune inspired by Birdsong this morning. This is how I did it. I was in the garden and I heard a black cap. It sounded like this. So then I decided to try and sing it. Then I found it on the cello. So then it was the crow, and who went digga-da-da. I couldn't record it because it was a one shot, but I did sing a little version of him. It sounded like this. Then I found that on the cello. And then I added a funky bass line. And then I decided to loop it all up. So let's go inside and see how that sounds. 1, 2, 3.